Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to sign up for Kraken wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. First, make sure that you download Kraken wallet application on your mobile device. Tap open the application and this is the first interface you'll be able to see. In order to sign up, you'll need to tap on the create account button. Type in an email address that you'd like to use for your wallet. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to and tap the next button beneath. Now type in a username for your wallet. Make sure to create a unique username and tap on the next button beneath. Now create a unique password for your account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is at least 12 characters long. It includes a letter, a number, and a special character. Tap the next button beneath after you are done setting up your password. Now choose your country of residence and finally tap on create account. To activate your account, you'll need to open the link sent to your email address that you provided before, or you can also paste in the code that is sent to you. After you type in the code, your account will be activated. Tap on the next button and type in your mobile number into the mobile number tab. Once you're done typing in your phone number, tap the next button. Now type in your first legal name in order to verify your account. Type in your last name on the next and tap the next button. Enter your birthday information by typing in your birthday, month, and year. Tap next. Now type in your primary address into the address text box. Type in your address information, your city, and your postal code into the text boxes and tap the next button. Select your occupation from the list. You'll need to verify your identity with a photo ID. You can choose one of these options in order to confirm your identity. Place your ID that you chose on a flat surface and make sure all the text and corners are visible. Upload your identity after you've taken a picture of it and tap on upload. Now verify further information that it asks to you and you'll be able to create your account after you are done with everything. That is how you can easily sign up for Kraken wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.